Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to this new vlog, another interesting vlog. So we are gonna prepare Githeri. We haven't done that in this channel yet. So welcome and enjoy. So I'm not gonna talk, so you're just going to enjoy the music. So guys, follow and you will definitely know what ingredients I've used. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit subscribe button, like, comment and share. Yeah guys, let's do this.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared.
Our meal is ready, so I'm ready to dig in my dinner. That is githeri, maize with mixed beans, and my tea. Voila! Hope you're enjoying the meal with me. It's very, very delicious. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and also share to your friends and family. And let us all enjoy these episodes and let's make a very, very lovely family. So, guys, until the next time, let me see you. Au revoir.